As far as defense goes,
Yeah.
it was looking like Firewall would be the only one that would be able to play good defense, but they're the only one that would be likely scoring on that side, so they should be stay back. We'll see.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'd probably be us other than Wales, so we should be good.
I've got one of these.
Even with bump, it's working pretty good because we got the static issues fixed there.
Yeah.
So yeah,
it's just faster, and when you come back, it like brings fuel with you.
And it also helps against defense because I remember in the finals too, I think someone was blocking the trench. We went over the bump, so we lost our vision for a couple of seconds. We didn't have to because we were up by like 300 points or something. But the point is, it helps so much against defense too if you can go over all four of the sections.
Yeah.
We got rammed over by something.
Let's go ahead and get ready to roll forward then.
You push the fuel over the bump every time. So good.
You guys talked with the human player?
Yeah. Okay. Can you check your bevels? Can you check your bevels? They're good? Yes.
Go ahead and do bevels. Yeah, the shooter, check that and confirm it.
No, just wait until that match ends.
Yeah, we'll wait till this match finishes. You guys want to confirm strat? Go over that one last time?
Let's review.
And where's driver? There's driver. Driver? Perfect. Okay. So I guess go ahead and take it. Where do you want the autos? We talked about that.
Yeah, so we are going to be going, we'll be like opposite of driver stations here. So Wales is going to be going left side, we'll be going right side. And then I think we plan accordingly for that. During transition, we're going to come over from here. We're going to go over this bump, so just make sure it stays clear. Y'all talk about it? Coming over. Yep.
So we're going to try to start over the opponent section, get the balls over. If that's not working out too well, if they have them in the corners, we're going to come to the neutral and start pushing.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, I know a lot of teams, they put them right there just so they can feed them, and it's hard to get them without one of them.
Yeah.
We're probably going to do a big bump push here.
Okay.
Like the first series. Don't want it start.
Yeah, depending on how much I pass, if I pass it all, I'll pass to y'all side just so it's easier on there.
Go to the opponent zone if you can start.
Always push to
Yeah.
get out to the straight cycle in the middle.
Ooh, beautiful.
If you could need like fuel on the sides, like
I will
there's
say
fuel
with
in
both
the like
being
sides of
so
the
high
driver's
score, you know, be
if
hard to
it's
feed.
like something that you can't
ourselves,
get
but
to
we're fine.
like V1 maybe.
We can grab it easy.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Otherwise,
We'll
but
do our best.
bring it over to your side. I think it should be good.
That's all we need. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Sounds good. Keep it simple.
All right, let's go get them.
Go ahead and spray the bumpers in.
The only one playing defense likely is Firewall.
Yeah.
Do you know what their driver station is? They are the only ones who's scoring, but probably in there.
Yeah.
Cool. We have where's the board? What's their number?
5607.
You never know.
All right, bonds by two. Yeah, because Robo Whales. I mean, usually if they have to head it back at all, then it's like not as efficient as they could be. So I'll make.
After the transition.
And since there's likely not that much defense.
Yeah.
Probably in like the
Yeah, hopefully they don't hog on their side. We'll see.
Holy match delay.
68.
They're about to start 68. Yeah. Does the whale squeak?
This one doesn't anymore, but it's the best one because it lights up.
Yeah.
I say if we get another one, I'm gonna get a silver Sharpie and do the rubber wheel thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna customize every single one. I have like 4 at home.
Really?
Yeah.
You know why we were having that thing at the beginning? It just seemed like came up. We had a power cycle.
Yeah, I'm not totally sure.
Is it different
They're
than
looking into
the
logs.
common auto?
No, we're running the common auto.
The common auto changed to
Okay.
Yeah.
I know we talked to you You haven't talked to Bunny yet? I talked to him.
Yeah, go talk to him.
Alrighty. It's gonna be a fun match. Check back side of the bumper. Make sure it's just clipped in.
Did you guys go through
I
any
was
net
side with the
iterations,
clip-ins.
or did you just get one net and be like, Coleman?
Actually, yeah, we did. So we tried a different net. It was the same size, but we needed to fit dimensions.
Yeah.
But it was like these things were a bit thinner. You're doing good. Not worried about last
Yeah.
For bulldozing,
fit the color scheme.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Right.
Well, we might experiment a bit more later. We want to try to do this actual sliding.
Pose has been a lot better
For us,
since we got the
super big capacity doesn't matter as much as just the scoring potential.
I don't think I have to wait nearly as long as I used to.
Right.
Yeah, with the hill, they change the position.
Gotcha.
Sliding hopper's cool.
No kidding.
And also,
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like now we have these carabiners. They're so much nicer. Before, if we wanted to change something here, we would have to cut zip ties. Now we have carabiners. So
Yeah.
nice. Right? I can actually just unplug and re-put in the exact same position, not have to worry about it changed and everything.
What's your weight at?
112.
See, you have the weight.
Lies in the weight there, right?
You had to wait for the way
Oh, yeah.
We made our motor like uncoaxial, like our intake uncoaxial. Like now it's actually powered on here. Can you see coaxial?
Yeah.
The motor's still in there.
So you can drop a little bit. That's cool.
But no one knows it's there.
Yeah.
It's okay. Now you do. Now get rid of it.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Leak to the world. All right. 33 seconds left.
That's just not fire.
Ready, Freddie? 20 seconds left. All right, let's go ahead and move. That was a close.
Did we do this already? Yeah. How long ago? 2 minutes? Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, just in case.
You've got the hat.
I needed to wake up and somebody's changing and wakes me up.
There you go. You good, Mark?
You ready for
This is
11. 11.
Just so you know, the stack was about 150 deep.
I don't know.
Can we put our robot right there?
Yes.
Thank you. Here we go.
Did you get one?
In case you're curious,
Oh Lord.
here's what I have so far.
All right, a little bit
You said
less.
you have
There we go.
12? This is 11.
No.
On the blue side of the field, we've got team 94.
Alrighty.
Our current ranked 2 team is LYNK.
Yep. Yep. And then turn that off. Perfect.
And last on the field, but first in the rankings right now with team 90-32. Our current ranked 1 team is the Robotics.
Go ahead and do a power cycle. He's going to do a power cycle real quick.
Okay. All right, we got flames over there. That's good.
Yep. Confirm.
Alrighty.
Same pose. Good. And then turn that off. And check controller.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. Kettering University's cutting-edge programs and their experiential co-op model seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds, offering hands-on, future-focused learning that empowers students to pursue new ideas and inspires other institutions to follow their lead. Don't just be ahead of the curve, create the curve. Get more information at kettering.edu/first. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by First alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com.
Whales good?
We'll see.
As we begin in 3, 2, 1, go. And we're off for match 69. LYNK immediately goes to the center. Wales accidentally
over there.
over by the Red Alliance side during their autonomous period. Boneyard do not move. Both teams have a shot for themselves on the Red Alliance.
So just remember, that's going to be a full grouping of fuel.
Yeah. Got some in the middle there.
Yep. Go ahead.
10, 8,
Slow.
7, 6, 5.
Is Wales good or no?
Wales, go hit them on the far side. Okay, good. They're out.
Go ahead. Pass
Pass that. I don't think they're shooting. Don't pass. Intake. And take that. Good. Okay, come all the way over.
7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, shoot. Shoot on the back up. Super constant, okay? There's nobody there.
All the way through. Yep.
17 seconds to get out of there. Pass out. Okay.
All right. Yep.
How much time? How much time?
10 seconds. Go out.
Yeah, a little bit more.
You left corner.
Okay. Take your time. Be gentle. Okay.
14 points away from that.
Go pass.
Pass. Good. All right. Fill up.
You're at 10 seconds until you're attack. Go over the bump and fill up over here.
Good. Over the bump.
Ready,
Shoot.
There's fuel all over here, okay? All this fuel.
Get through there.
Okay, fill up.
Good.
15 seconds until you're inactive. Okay. You're ready to shoot.
Let's see if they can get as much move they can to their given player and then try and give
Go ahead and shoot that.
opportunity to shoot as much fuel.
Fill up.
Left side.
Coming through.
Take your time, bud. Okay.
Okay, come back.
You're good. Now come back. Yep.
Okay, shoot those.
Good. Shoot that.
Shoot those. Get off.
All right. You're good.
And then all this right here, okay?
We're not gonna go back out then. Okay. Get away. Get this right here.
7 seconds. 6 seconds. 5, 4. Shoot.
Shoot. Ah. You're good. Wow. Good job. 4:16. That's a bummer.
Pretty good for Wales not working. Alrighty. Hey, good match, guys. Good match.
Do you know what happened?
Well, we couldn't see anything on the field. So
Okay.
was on the
Okay.
All right. Well, good match either way.
That's a bummer.
Hey, you guys did great.
All right. Let's get the robot off. Watch for the lights.
Number 1 and number 2 right where they are. Moving both are up in rank.
It happens.
And the Red Alliance is take them 0 ranking points for that match. Moving
So we just, get all the fuel out of it.
All right. That's pretty good for Wales not working. So.
Yeah, that. I mean,
Nice not able to
420 is pretty good. We're getting consistent. Yeah. I said we're getting consistent, so that's awesome.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos.